Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Yes. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes.
Today we will study about multiples. Our topic is multiples. आज हम multiples को study करेंगे. And what is multiples? Multiples क्या होते हैं? Here is example of
E.
multiples. Just like a table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 six are 24, and so on. Okay. So the numbers which you can see written in colorful, like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. These are the multiple of 4. Okay. These are the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4. So the you can you see the color of the answer product? ये देखिए आपको नजर आ रहे हैं कलरफुल ब्लू कलर का. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24 are the multiple of 4. Okay. Manur and Sameer, please come on the screen. Student, here we have fun fact. 0 is the multiple of every number as the product of 0. Oh, okay. When you read the table of 0, जब हम 0 का टेबल पढ़ते हैं तो every answer will be or the product of 0 will be 0. Just like 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0, and so on. So multiple of 0 is 0. ठीक है ना. 0 के multiple 0 ही होते हैं. Okay, let's see further. On multiplying a number, let's see the definition. Listen to me very carefully, class. Manu and Sameer, please come on the screen. Okay. Now, on multiplying a number by counting numbers, give its multiple. For example, we can get multiple of 6 and 7 by multiplying them numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Class, here we have some other examples of multiples. Like when you read the table of 6. भाई 6 का टेबल हम पढ़ेंगे. When you read the table of 6, it becomes just like 6 ones are 6 ones are Yes, class. 6 ones are 6. Okay, is equal to 6, comma, and then 6 twos are 12. Okay, and I'm reading it with comma, and 6 threes are 18, and 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay, class. So 12, 6, 12, 18, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. These are all the multiples of 6. Okay. The numbers which come in the table of which are the product of 6 are the numbers of are the multiples of 6. Just like 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, and so on. Here you can see the example of 7. Multiples of 7 are 7 के टेबल में class multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 7 twos are
14.
7 threes are
21.
7 fours are
28.
and 7 fives
45.
7 six are
42. 49. 49.
7 eights are
63. 70.
7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70.
70.
So class, these are the multiples of 7. Okay. When you talk about, अच्छा अब हम when we talk about the multiples of I am giving you like multiples of 3. चलिए भाई. Now tell me multiples of 3. 3 के multiples क्या क्या होंगे? Which?
Hello.
Yes, yes, then. Yes, then.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then. Yes, then I can hear you. Okay, now give me the answer. Multiples of 3. Yes, then I can hear you. 3 ones are 3.
Yeah. Yes.
Next multiple of 3. 3 twos are 6. And then 3 threes are,
9.
yes. And then 3 fours are 12. I am writing the multiples, okay? 3 fives are 15. And then 3 sixes are 18. And then 3 sevens are 21. And 3 eights are 24.
24.
And then 3 nines are
30.
no,
That
the 27. And 3 tens are 30.
30.
These are the multiples of 3. Done class? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? Hello, students? Okay. So let's solve the question. अब हम ये वाले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, फिर हम कॉमन मल्टीपल्स पढ़ेंगे. ओके
Yes.
ओके, वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमारे पास इस तरह से, जस्ट अ सेकेंड क्लास, ओके, यस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वी हैव, स्टूडेंट कैन यू सी द लेक्चर ऑन द स्क्रीन?
Yes. Yes.
क्वेश्चन वी हैव, व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट 4 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9? हमारे पास फर्स्ट 4 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 आपको बताने हैं. फर्स्ट 4 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 मींस रीड द टेबल फ्रॉम 9 ones are 9 to 9 fours are. Okay, 9 ones are 9. Okay, and then just a second class, read the table of 9 till 4. 9 ones are
9.
and then 9 twos are
80.
very good. And then next multiple of 9,
29. 29.
no, 9 ones are very good,
27.
very good. And 9 fours are 36. 36.
35.
36. Okay, done.
36.
And then next question you have, circle the numbers that are multiple of 7. Class, you will make a circle that are the multiple of 7. Cross out the numbers that are not the multiple of 7. Here you have given numbers in a chart, in a columns. आपको टेबल में नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, एंड यू विल मेक अ सर्कल ऑन दैट नंबर्स विच आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 7. सर्कल आप उन नंबर्स को करेंगे जो 7 के मल्टीपल्स हैं, मीन्स के 7 के टेबल में आते हैं, एंड अदर नंबर्स यू विल क्रॉस आउट, और जो नहीं आते उनको आप क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस आउट. लाइक क्लास, 1 इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 और नॉट? जी क्लास, 1 7 के टेबल में आता है या नहीं? Yes.
No.
So we will cross out the number. Okay, 7 is the multiple of 7. 7 ones are
7.
so we will make a circle. Okay, 14 is the multiple of 7 or not?
Yes.
So we will make circle or cross the number? Circle the number. Because 14 is the multiple of 7. Okay, next number 17. 17 is the multiple of 7 or not?
No.
So we will cross the number, okay, like this. Here we have 21. 21 is the multiple of 7 or not?
Circle.
Circle. How many times 7 is the multiple at कितने कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होकर 7 के टेबल में 21 आता है? 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, and 7 3 is 21. Okay,
No.
yes, class. 21 is the multiple of 7. Okay, now 27. Is 27
Yeah.
multiple of 7 or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so cross it or circle?
Process.
Cross. Okay. And then now 35 is the multiple of 7 or not? So should I make circle on it or cross? Class, it's 35 is the, read the table of 7 till 5. चलिए जल्दी से read the table of 7. Read the table of 7 class.
7 5 35.
Very good. 7 5 is 35. So done? Got
Yes.
it? Okay. Now class, here we have question number 3. Circle the numbers. Here we have question number 3. Circle the numbers that are multiple of 8. Cross out the numbers that are not the multiple of 8. Question number 3 is same as question number 2. So here we are talking about the multiples of 8. Class, first listen to me. Manu or Sameer, listen to me. First, multiples of 8. So tell me, 38 is the multiple of 8 or not? 38 8 के टेबल में आता है या नहीं आता? Yes, class, tell me. Yes. Read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. So 38 is not the multiple of 8. Okay, now tell me, 40 is the multiple of 8 or not?
Circle.
Okay, now at what time? अच्छा ये बताइए कितने time multiply करते हैं? How many times we multiply 8? So answer will be 40. Read the table. Table पढ़िए और बताइए 40 कब आता है? 8 ones are. Yes, class. Read the table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Okay, 45 is the multiple of 8 or not?
Not.
Okay. 49. What about 49?
No.
Okay, 49 is also not the multiple of 8. Okay, what about 64? Yes, class. Read the table of 8.
No.
Class, read the table of 8. I am saying read the table of 8.
Circle. Circle. Circle.
So first tell me, पहले आप टेबल पढ़िए 8 का. 8 का टेबल पढ़िए. 8 ones are. Wait a minute, class. The recording. Yes. I'm asking, read the table of 8. 8 का टेबल पढ़िए कि 64 आ जाए हमारे पास जल्दी से.
8 ones are 8. 8.
Yes. 8 twos are 16 and then 8 threes are.
Cross.
Class 8 threes are 24 and then 8 fours are.
32.
Yes. And then 8 fives are
40,
8 fives are 40 and 8 six are
48,
48. 8 sevens are
56,
and 8 eights are
64,
very good. Excellent. 8 eights are 64. And then 8 nines are
70.
72. Okay. Okay, now tell me 81 is the multiple of 8 or not?
Plus.
Cross. Okay. In that way you can solve, you can cross or make a circle on a given question if the question is about circle the numbers. Done, class? Is there any confusion? Okay,
No.
now let's see next question. What are here we have question number 1. Question number 1 also अभी हमारे पास दोबारा से यही again questions आ गए हैं in which we will make a multiples, make a list of multiples. Okay, now class अब बताइए जरा मुझे multiples of, wait a minute. Yes class, multiples of what are the multiples? 5 multiples of 9. 5 multiples of 9 जल्दी से बता दीजिए. 9 की टेबल में 5, 9 टेबल, रीड द टेबल टिल 5. टेबल ऑफ 9 5 तक पढ़ना है. 9 1 जा and then 9 2 जा
45,
no 9 2 जा 18. 9 3 जा
21,
27. 9 4 जा 26 and 9 5 जा 45. Okay, read the, what are the first 5 multiples of 7? Read the table of 7 class. 7 1 जा 7 2 जा
14,
okay, 7 3 जा 21. 7 4 जा 7 5 जा okay.
35.
Okay, question number 3 you can do it. Okay, question number 5. Read the first 5 multiples of 5. 5 के table. 5 1 जा 5 2 जा
10,
5 3 जा
15,
next
20,
and next.
25.
Excellent. Okay, in that way you can solve it. Okay, when you have given question what are the first 5 multiples of 9, then read the table of 9 till 5, just like 9 1 za 9 2 za 9 3 za 9 4 za 9 5 za. Okay, read the table of 9 5 times, and then here you have a question is about table of 7. Read the table of 7 5 times. Read the table of 2 till 5, okay, and so on. Clear, class?
Yes.
Okay. Next, next question you have. Question is same. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Next question we have. Circle the numbers that are multiple of 6. Cross out the number that are not multiple of 6. Can you do it by yourself? या आप खुद कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
In which you will circle the numbers that are multiple of 6. Okay, ये given numbers में circle उनको करेंगे जो 6 में आते हैं और 6 के टेबल में, and that are not the multiple of 6, you will cross out the number. Done? Okay, I will send this homework through the on the group. Okay, next topic we have common multiples. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? कॉमन मल्टीपल्स Okay. A common multiple is a whole number that is shared multiple of each set of a number. The multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiple of those numbers. Means class, now listen to me. अब यहाँ पर आपने क्या करना है? जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ये एक्टिविटी है, ये आप लोग खुद करेंगे. ओके, अच्छा जी. नाउ लिसन टू मी क्लास. मल्टीपल क्लास, लिसन टू मी. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स का मीन होता है द नंबर्स विच आर बोथ विच आर कॉमन इन मोर टू और मोर देन टू नंबर्स. ओके, जो एक नंबर जो दोनों टेबल्स में आता हो. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन सी दैट व्हेन here we have, let us mark the multiple of 7 and 6 on a 100 grid. We will mark the table multiple of 6 by a circle and multiple of 7 by cross. Okay, इसको हम इग्नोर करते हैं. हम दूसरी, let's take another example. Just like I am writing multiple of 2. multiple of 2, yes class, 2 के टेबल को रीड आउट करना है हमें. And you will tell me, class, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. The next 4.
2,
The next
6,
6.
2, 4, 8,
2 fours are 8.
8,
Then
10,
10,
12,
12. Then 14. Then
16,
okay. Then
13,
and then
20.
yes. Okay. Now class, multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. 4 के multiple बताइए.
4,
4,
8,
8. Manur and Sameer, Hena, please also participate in that question. 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are,
12,
and then
16,
16. 4 5 are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 4 9 are 36. And 4 10 are 40. Okay. Now class, common numbers. दोनों में जो same है, the numbers which are same, like 4.
8,
Here I am making. Okay. And 8 is same in both table, and other 12 is common, and 20 is common. Okay. Okay. The numbers which are common in both tables are known as common multiples. अब ये दोनों देखें, you can see that जो मैंने highlight किए हैं 4, 8, 12 and 20. So these are the common multiples, right class? Is there any problem? Hello students. Hello students, can you hear me? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Okay. Now, see the next example. अब आप next example देखिए. Yes class. Here we have multiple of 3 and multiple of 4. 3 के टेबल में और 4 के टेबल में कॉमन नंबर्स हाईलाइट हुए हुए हैं. सो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स कौन कौन से हैं हमारे पास यहाँ पर 3 and 4 से. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स वी हैव C dot C means common, M means multiples. So common multiples of 4 and 12, 3 we have 12. कॉमन नंबर कौन कौन से हैं? 12, 24 and 36. Done, class? So these are the common multiples. Done it? Okay. Now next topic and last topic we have here further example. ये हमारे पास further example हैं. देखिए class. Here you have multiple of common multiple 12, 4, 24 and 36. Multiple of, you can also do this question with the help of circle diagram. Okay, हम इसको circle के इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं. We can do it like this. Draw the diagram. Make a circles in which we will write the multiple of 3 and in another circle we will write the multiples of 4. और जो common है वो हम इस तरह से intersect करेंगे. Got it? Just like 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9. 3 4 the 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 3 10 the 30, 3 11 the 33, 3 12 the 36. In the same way, you will write the multiple of 4 and then the common numbers which are same in both tables. वो इस तरह से हम कर देंगे. So these are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Got it, class? यहाँ तक clear है? Yes, class. Any problem? Manur and Samir, what are you saying?
Yes.
Okay, Hina, Zan, can you hear me?
Yes.
बेटा कोई confusion यहाँ तक?
No.
Okay, find. Okay, class. We can also find the multiple with the help of division. हम multiples को division के help से भी find out करते हैं. यानी कि common multiples को हम किसके through find out करते हैं? Division के through भी. Just like you have given question finding the common multiples through division. Just like 21 and 63. इसका आपको बताना है कि ये दोनों 21 and 63 like no I'm changing the question. यहाँ पे हम क्वेश्चन चेंज करते हैं. वेट अ मिनट क्लास. मेरे पास क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरह से होगा. ये I have given the question include. Wait. Yes. 21. Now tell me. 21 के कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आपको बताने हैं. And here with the help of division. Yes, class. 21 के किसके टेबल में आता है? 3 में भी आता है और किसके टेबल में आता है? 7 में भी, right? So at how many time 21 come in the table of 3? Yes, class. Read the table of 3. क्या फैक्टर हमारा 21 आ जाए? 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21. Okay.
Yes.
7 in 7 tables, 7 3s are 21. Common multiple of 21 is R. Common multiples are 3 and 7. 21 के common multiple क्या है? 7 and 3 or you can say 3 and 7. Done? Okay. Now next number I am giving you 60. Yes, class, 60. 60 come in the table of 6, 60 also come in the table of 2. 62 के टेबल से भी सॉल्व हो सकता है. 60 can be divide with by 3. 63 से भी डिवाइड हो सकता है. And 60 can be divided by 10 and 60. Okay, I am making the list of common multiple through division. Okay, now class, first start from 2. 2 3s are 6 and 0 we will write here, and 0 means 2 30s are 60 and 3 20s are 3 2s are 6. 0 we will write here on the top and here also. In 3 20s are 60 and 6 10s are 60. Okay, and 10 6s are 60. Right, class? So common factors of 60 are, common factors 60 के which are the common factors? Common factor कौन कौन से हैं? These are the factors: 2 6 3 10 are the common factors of 60. Right, class? यहाँ तक clear है? Hello student,
Yes.
are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, 60 कौन कौन से टेबल में आता है? Means 2 multiplied by 30 is equal to 60. Okay, and 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60, and 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. Done, class?
Yes.
Is there any problem? Okay, let's solve another. I am giving you another numbers. Okay, read the table of I'm 6. Multiple of 6. 6 के टेबल पढ़िए class. Multiple of 6. Read the table of 6. Multiple.
24.
Multiples of 6. Yes, class. टेबल पढ़िए जल्दी से 6 का. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा, and then 6 3 जा 18, 24, 30, and then 6 5 6 जा 36, 6 7 जा 42, 48, and then 6 9 जा 54 and 60. Next, table of 8. Table of 8. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा. No, I am here write the multiple of 4. 4 का टेबल हम पढ़ेंगे. We will read the write the multiples of 4. 4 2 जा 4 1 जा 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, 20, 24, and then 28, and then 36 and 40. So class, common multiples are 12, right? 12 and other 20 and 36, right? 36. Here we have 6 6 are 36. So these are common factors of 12 is 6 and 4. 12 के common factors क्या होते हैं? These are the factors and these are the multiples. जिसके टेबल में आते हैं, जैसे 6 के टेबल में 12 आता है, 6 के टेबल में 13 आता है, 18 आता है, तो 6 क्या हो गया इनका? फैक्टर हो गया. ओके, 6 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 6, 12, 18 एंड जो 6 के टेबल में आते हैं 6, 12, 18 ये मल्टीपल होते हैं. दीज आर मल्टीपल्स, ये मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. ओके, मीन्स के ये मल्टीप्लाई करने से आए हैं. जस्ट लाइक 6 1 6. These are the multiples or the number. This is the factor. जो टेबल जिसका होता है ना वो फैक्टर कहलाता है. मीन फैक्टर. ओके, are you getting my point, student? This number is factor and the answer of this number, just like a product of two number, like 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, is the multiple, are the multiples. Okay, so common multiples of 6 and 4 are 12, 20, 36. Okay, and you can also get the answer with the help of division. आप division के through भी कर सकते हैं. Like मैं अगर आपसे कहूँ कि 12 के फैक्टर कौन कौन से हैं, यानी कि 12 किस किस टेबल में आया है अभी? 2 के टेबल में भी आता है, and 4 is the also factor. 4 3 is 12, 3 4 is 12, and 6 2 is 12, and 12 1 is 12. Right class? ये 12 के फैक्टर्स हैं. Are you getting my point? 12 will come in the table of 2. 2 के टेबल में भी आता है 12, 3 के टेबल में भी आता है, 4 में भी आता है, 6 में भी आता है, 12 में भी आता है. Done?
Yes.
So end of the class, I am taking attendance. Mahnoor,
Yes.
Samir, Zain, and Hina. You are taking class, so it is the time to do the class. कोई क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है आप लोगों का?
Yeah. No.
Okay, I will send homework through on the group. Allah Hafiz.
Love it.
Okay.